Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Notcoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Binance. This tutorial is quick and simple, so just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you're gonna see your Notcoin here, but you can also go ahead and click on send option here at the top. After that, you will need to add a recipient address and a comment, which is like a memo. You're gonna go to your Binance. And on Binance, go to your wallets and click on an option, deposit. After that, you're going to search for Notcoin. And here it is, the second option. You're going to choose Tonkeeper network. And you will see this option, deposit address and not memo. So you want to copy the address first and go to your Tonkeeper. Paste the address here. And after that, as you can see, the comment is required. So you want to go back to your Binance and copy the memo. Now enter the memo here and click continue. Now from here, you will have an option to choose Notcoin. I don't have it, so I have no option for it. But basically, if you have Notcoin, you will have an option to choose it from here. And then you're going to enter the Notcoin amount and withdraw it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.